If your iCloud upload is stuck on uploading and won't complete, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the common causes and share quick fixes to get your upload back on track. Part 1. Why is my iCloud upload taking so long? Unstable internet, insufficient iCloud or iPhone storage, low device battery, iCloud photo library or account issues, incompatible old backups. Part 227 Quick Fixes for iCloud Upload Stuck Issue. Fix 1. Reconnect Wi-Fi network. Fix 2. Force restart iOS device. Fix 3. Optimize iPhone storage. Open your iPhone settings, photos. Tap Optimize iPhone storage. Press Remove from iPhone. Soon, the majority of your image will be uploaded to iCloud. Fix 4. Disable low power mode. Enabling lower power mode may limit the network speed and thus give rise to iCloud uploading stuck. Here, it's wise to disable it by going to Settings on your iPhone, choosing Battery, switching off low power mode. Fix 5. Re-enable iCloud photo library. Run your device's settings. Hit your name iCloud Photos. Turn off iCloud photo library. After a short while, restart your device. Follow the drill to re-enable the library. Fix 6. Sign out and sign an iCloud account on Mac. On your Mac, go to Apple menu. Proceed to System Preferences, iCloud, Sign out. Sign into iCloud on this Mac again. After that, you can tap Manage to take control of iCloud storage on this computer. Fix 7. Remove all backups. Get into your device's Settings app. Proceed to Apple ID iCloud Manage Storage. Next, hit Backup and select the device from which you want to remove the backups. Press Delete Backup, turn off and delete. Part 3. Upload iPhone items to computer without iCloud. Fed up with the awful iCloud when you were trapped by photos uploading to iCloud stuck more than once? If that's the case, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS Win and Mac, the recommended alternative to this service. How to upload iPhone data to a computer selectively. Step 1. Have this program installed after the download on a computer. Run the program and link your iDevice to the computer via USB. Next, follow the direction on the screen to let the tool identify your device. Step 2. After the recognition, your iOS content will be listed on the program screen. You can now select your desired data types from the left panel and preview specific items on the right. Step 3. Choose any files you want and click Export from the top interface. Finally, set an output format and save your selected data on this computer. How to upload iPhone data to a computer in batches. Head to the program's Super Toolkit when it recognizes your device. Go for iTunes Backup and Restore Backup. Choose a backup location on this computer and OK to initiate the backup.